Why don't you go ahead and give it a nice whack for us, Noah? Oh my goodness. Wow. He hit that phone so hard that the phone actually rebooted. And that was loud. Alright, so as you can see, the phone's still functional. The phone still works. Alright, let's try, I don't know, 160 inches. That had to hurt. We still in business, Chris?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any noticeable damage?
Just the case.
The case is a little scratched up, is that it? So now that you've seen the value of our incredible impact protectors, don't delay and come by our store today so we can install this for you and keep your phone safe. We'll see you soon.